Today I'll show you the Color Palette Generator DCTL, a powerful tool for analyzing and extracting color palettes directly from your footage in DaVinci Resolve. Let's start by applying it to this colorful scene and see what it can do. As you can see, it immediately generates a color palette bar at the bottom, sampling the most representative colors from our image. The DCTL has 12 main parameters organized into logical groups. Let's explore the most important ones first. Palette height controls how tall our color bar appears, from a thin strip to a prominent display. Image offset Y pushes the original image upward to make room for our palette analysis. Now let's understand how the algorithm actually picks these colors. When I enable Show Sample Points, you can see the white crosshairs indicating exactly where colors are being sampled from the image. The randomness parameter is crucial. At level 1, sample points are positioned systematically. As I increase randomness, the sampling becomes more varied and unpredictable. Notice how the palette colors change as we sample from different areas. This gives us flexibility to discover hidden color relationships in our footage. Number of colors determines how many color segments we extract, anywhere from 4 to 16 distinct colors. But here's where this DCTL really shines. The 5 different sorting methods. Each one reveals different aspects of your image's color story. None keeps the original sampling order, useful when you want to see colors as they naturally appear across the image. By hue organizes colors chromatically. Reds flow into oranges, yellows, greens, and blues, perfect for understanding color harmony. By temperature separates cool colors from warm ones. Cool blues and cyans on the left, warm reds and yellows on the right. This is invaluable for analyzing skin tones or environmental lighting. By saturation arranges from muted, desaturated colors to vivid, saturated ones, great for understanding the color intensity range in your shot. By luminosity sorts from bright to dark, based on perceived brightness, not just mathematical brightness, but how our eyes actually perceive luminance. You can customize the appearance extensively. Show borders create separators between color segments. The border controls are granular. You can enable side borders, top borders, and bottom borders independently. Show Image Frame adds a clean border around everything. Border thickness scales automatically with your resolution for consistent appearance. Technically, this DCTL samples colors using a 3x3 pixel averaging window, which reduces noise and gives smoother results than single pixel sampling. Everything is processed in real time on your GPU, and the tool preserves your original image data without any quality loss or color space conversions. You can find more information on the website and try the free demo version. Download the Color Palette Generator DCTL today and transform how you approach color in your projects.